Hi boys and girls, it's me, Mr. Hornbeck. I hope you're having a great summer. The office staff, Mrs. Glazer and I are working hard this summer to help improve the school for next year. I also know that your teachers have been hard at work preparing for next year while also sharpening the saw. I want to tell you a way that you can help improve the school too. It's a program called Amazon Smile. I told your parents about it during the Meet the Teachers night last September, but now it's a good time to check to see if they signed up because next week is Amazon Prime Day. Amazon Smile does not cost anything and it does not change how much items cost. In fact, you can use Amazon Smile with Amazon Prime. Amazon Smile takes a fraction of your purchase, 0.5%, and donates it to the school. If your parents are anything like Mr. Hornbeck, they do a lot of shopping on Amazon. They can keep shopping on Amazon and contribute to the school without any extra effort. All they need to do is sign up, and instead of going to Amazon.com, they go to smile.amazon.com. I know it sounds like a lot of work to type in 6 extra characters, but with the autofill functions on computers and phones, this is very easy. Amazon Smile only requires that you make the purchases on smile.amazon.com so you can still use your Amazon app to add products to the shopping cart as long as you go back to Amazon Smile to make the purchase. If you follow my directions carefully, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Amazon Smile now. So first, you open up your web browser. And your homepage is probably something like mine, which is hillelschool.org. And you type in on the top, smile.amazon.com. From there, it brings you to this page, and it gives you a chance to choose who you're going to be donating to. So if you type in Hillel Rochester and type in search, you will see hillelschool.inc there. And what you'll do is you'll select that, and you'll click, yes, I understand that I must always start at this website. Smile.amazon.com, and you will start shopping. You only need to do this once. So every time after you've done this and you go to smile.amazon.com, it will have you contribute to our school. Thanks, guys. I hope you're having a great summer.